Hey everyone, welcome back to my crochet world. Today I'm going to show you how to make this crochet daisy bookmark. So let's get started. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment and share this video. In this video we need two color of yarn. I am using yellow and white yarn, a scissors, crochet hook and a crochet needle. First I am using yellow yarn. Hold yarn like this and make a slip knot with crochet hook. Next make 5 chains to form a small circle. Insert your hook into the first chain and make a slip stitch. Now we have our little circle ready. Now make chain 1 on top and then make 10 single crochet stitches inside the circle. Continue making 10 single crochet stitches. After completing 10 single crochet stitches, make a slip stitch to close it. Cut the yellow yarn and now we gonna attach a new color. I am using white color for petals. To start the petal, make a slip knot. Then 3 chains on top. Tie the yellow yarn. In next chain, we gonna make 4 double crochet stitch. After making 4 double crochet stitch, chain 1 on top and slip stitch into the next chain. Here is one petal complete. Then repeat the process, 3 chains on top, 4 double crochet into the next stitch. Then chain 1 on top and slip stitch into the next stitch below. We will repeat this 5 times to make 5 petals in total. After finishing the last petal, make one final slip knot. Lock in the end and cut off the extra yarn. Hide the loose ends neatly with your crochet needle. And here we have one beautiful daisy flower ready. Repeat the same pattern to make 6 flowers total. Then stitch all the flowers together using your crochet needle. I will show you clearly this pattern in this video stitches all flowers with each other. Here is the flower chain ready. Now here we're gonna make tassel. For the tassel I am using white yarn. Take your yarn and wrap it around your hand few times. Cut the leftover yarn, remove it carefully, cut from one side and tie it to the end of your flower chain. Secure it tightly. Cut the tassel straight. And that's it. Your adorable crochet daisy bookmark is ready to use. It is so cute and perfect for any book lovers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. See you all in my next video. Allah Hafiz.